Is your partner is Egyptian? Or do you have a lover Egyptian? Let's talk about what is normal and weird in a relationship with the Egyptian man. First, approaching a girl in the mall or in the beach just to know her. It's not normal. It's weird here in Egypt. The women here in Egypt are very conservative and you cannot just approach them just asking their mobile number or what's their name, where they live. Can I drive you? Can I drop you? Where do you want to go? It's not like that at all. It's not like with our country. We are more open and we are more kind of liberated. Not like here in Egypt, they are been practicing it with their culture, especially with their religion. So sometimes if the man are approaching the woman, sometimes they can make some problem with the guy. In some cases, if the woman is really conservative, very, very conservative and very religious, they can make a complaint against you. So that is very weird here in Egypt, and you cannot just easily approach a woman just for you to know her. Second is showering her with the endless compliment.
Wow.
That is very normal here in Egypt. Do you know that the Egyptian guys are very sweet lover. They are like they will give you the moon just to make you happy. So if you are lucky enough to find your right Egyptian man, you will be happy for the rest of your life. Third is proposing on the third day of dating. That is very normal here in Egypt. It's not like they are not really in hurry, but maybe they know already each other from a long time, but they just start dating and maybe family member as well. You know, here in Egypt, they can marry their family members, cousin, direct cousin, second cousin, and they actually, some family, they actually preferred to marry their own families as well. So it's very normal here in Egypt if the guy is proposing on you on the third day of your dating. Fourth is letting her to pay in the restaurant. Hmm. That is weird. That is very weird here in Egypt, especially the Egyptian guys. They are very gentlemen and they will not let you to pay anything at all. Whenever you go, they are the one will handle everything. So if you have a Egyptian lover and letting you to pay in the restaurant or somewhere, that is a red flag. Let me share one story with my friend. She was dating a guy and he let her pay the dinner in the restaurant and he is saying I'll pay you on the end of the month when when the salary came. So when she told me that, I was like, okay, that's not really a good manner for you to do in the date. For me, that's not acceptable at all. I don't think that it will be acceptable for any woman, especially if you're just knowing each other, just starting dating, right? So she told me that he's inviting her again for the second date. She declined it. The guy want to pay her for the money that she pay for the restaurant on their first date. And she said, you don't need to pay anything at all. That's my treat for you. And that's our last date. Thank you for the night. And that's their last conversation. And the good thing now is that friend I was talking about, she's now married with the Egyptian man as well. And she's happy for their small family that they are building right now. Fifth, cooking dinner. Here in Egypt, it's very normal for a woman to cook a meal for her partner or for the visitor. It's very unusual if the woman is ordering some food from outside. They preferred to cook at home for their family or for their visitors. So cooking is very normal. The next one is very controversial topic, and for the Western country, it's kind of normal, but here in Egypt, it's not. So next is spending the night together before the marriage.
Oh my god!
Enough!
That is weird here in Egypt. It's not normal at all. It's a big haram in their religion. Booking a hotel here in Egypt, if you are unmarried, is very difficult. So you need the proof that you are married together, then you can just book your hotel. It's not like with our country, we have a lot of hotels for spending the night together with your partner. You can spend 3 hours, five, one night together in a hotel in a very easy way. But here in Egypt, it's not normal. It's a very weird thing here. Next is moving into her or his apartment.
What?
It's weird in Egypt. There's no one here in Egypt that they will live together without the marriage. It's very weird in Egypt if they know that you are living together and you are not married. They can complain you as well to the police if your neighbor know that you are unmarried. So if you're planning to visit Egypt with your lover, make sure that you have your own space and you cannot live together in one apartment. Or else you will get married first and you can spend your life together. You can live with peace and happy ever after. Last but not the least, asking her parents for a permission to a date.
Yeah!
That is normal here in Egypt, and it's a very good move for a guy. Asking a permission from your parents is showing of respect, respect of respect for your parents and your family and for you as well. And we all know that respect is very important in a relationship with your partner or with the lover first, starting to know each other, dating. That respect is very important. If you don't have respect to each other, so the relationship will not survive. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something on my video, and please don't forget to click like and share, bell button for more notification. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye!